This is English Literature Web. I am Professor L.B.Gayakawad teaching today on the topic slang, part first. The slang is a type of language which has informal words and phrases. Remember, the slang is the particular topic of the language in which there are the informal words and phrases. Informal, it means that they are not related with the grammar, they are not related with the particular rules and regulations, means they are not formal, and that's why they are called the informal words and phrases. These words and phrases are more common in the speech of the group. Remember, these are very common in the group of the people. When the group of the people speak these words and phrases, they do not write, only they speak, and that's why these words and phrases are very much popular in the group of the people, because these words are very common words. The slang is more spoken form than the writing form, means this slang is not written but it is spoken. The words and phrases of the slang show a group of people who use them. Remember, this slang shows the group of people, and that group of people speaks these slang words. The slang word came into existence about in the 18th century, means the 18th century is there which has given the birth to the slang, and it has been defined afterwards in the multiple ways by the linguists. So remember, then this word has got the more importance, and then the linguists have explained this slang in the field of the language. The slang was used as the low or disreputable language or word from People's Dictionary in 1756, means in the year 1756 this slang was used as the lowest word, or this word was not the respectable word. Then it progressed, means the slang progressed as the people's word of the people, means it was the word of the people and it has come from the people. That's why it is called the word of people. The people who were below the level of the standard educated men, means the people who were speaking this slang were below the educated people, means the educated people were speaking the educating language or the educated language, but the people who were below the people of education, these people were talking this slang, and that's why this slang was the lowest part of the language. Originally, it is a certain word and related to thews can't. Remember, there are the thews, and the thews are only false, wrong, and that's why the thews can't is the word which shows the can't, and this can't means the fallness of the thews, and that's why this slang is originally related to the thews can't, means it has the lowest heritage of the language. It means that it has come from the language of the thews. According to Jonathan Green, the slang has a Scandinavian origin. Remember, this word has come from the Scandinavian culture. It has come from sling, meaning to throw. It means that this word has come from sling, and this sling shows the meaning of throwing. That is called the slang is the thrown language, means it is the language which is thrown and it has no importance in the section of the language. It means the language has gone towards the lower position or uncultured situation. The linguists are confused on defining the concept of the slang till, but they agree that it is a constant changing linguistic phenomenon, that is the principle as the subculture in the world. Remember, this slang is the subculture in the world. Though the linguists have been confused on making the definition of the slang, but still it has got the particular subculture status in the world. Some of the linguists say that the slang is useful for man to express his new experiences that have experienced time and modernity. Remember, there are the uh, studious persons of the language or the researchers who say that this slang is there useful for people to express their new experiences which show the time and modernity. The slang is well known as the taboo term. Taboo term, it means that it is the prohibited term, means this term is not useful term, more, that is the thrown term. In the conversation of ordinary people, means this concept is used by the ordinary people, and that's why it is the taboo term. And these ordinary people speak with the people of the higher class, that is the particular higher society, and that higher society speaks with these lower people, and these lower people speak with this higher society, and in this way this slang is called the taboo term. The well-known conventional synonym is changed into the slang to avoid elaborating more, means if we want to avoid the explaining more or the describing more, then the well-known conventional synonym is changed into the slang. That is the particular explanation. It means the slang is very easy and it is useful to know the meaning more than the old word. So the slang is used instead of the conventional synonym which is difficult to get meaning. So remember, here today we have seen the slang, the part first. We will see again the part second in the next period. Till then, thank you very much.